As we discussed in several other lessons, shareholder approval is often required in M&A transactions. But what happens if a shareholder votes against the transaction and it still gets approved? Does that shareholder have to accept the offered consideration for her shares? No, not necessarily. Dissenting shareholders who believe the offered consideration doesn't adequately reflect their shares' true value often have appraisal rights. In certain types of M&A transactions, dissenting shareholders have the right to request a judicial appraisal of their shares' value. By requesting an appraisal, dissenting shareholders can receive an assessment of their stock's fair value and potentially receive payment equal to that value from the surviving or acquiring company. This is known as the appraisal remedy. The appraisal remedy isn't available to all shareholders in all transactions. Indeed, its availability depends on the applicable state's corporate law. In this lesson, we'll focus on Delaware law. It's important to note at the outset that Delaware's appraisal remedy is one of the more limited provisions. In Delaware, appraisal rights are only available in transactions involving a change of control, such as certain long-form, short-form, or intermediate-form mergers. Shareholders aren't entitled to appraisal rights in asset sales, tender offers, or mergers between parent companies and their wholly owned subsidiaries. Let's expand on that last point.